You can spot a newbie trucker in 3 seconds flat. First, look for the wide-eyed wonder as they stare at their GPS like it's a treasure map. They're the ones who still have that shiny, untouched steering wheel cover. Next, check their parking skills. If they're taking 3 attempts to back into a space, you've found a rookie. And don't forget the attire. If they're wearing brand new boots and a fresh cap, you know they just stepped out of training. It's all in the details. Newbies are eager, but they've got a lot to learn. Just remember, we were all there once, so give them a nod of encouragement as they find their way on the road.